I'll get you, Blue Puffball. And that engine, too.
Splodge, come and help me!
No, do it yourself. Yeah, do it yourself. And we mean that. Yeah, we mean that.
Run, lady, quickly, and I'm going to help you.
So am I, milady. I'll not let you down again.
Watch out for the viaduct, it's dangerous!
Now I'll get you, Burnett Stone!
No, you won't, Boomer. Because the magic you refuse to believe in will get the better of you.
Okay, Burnett! The gloves are off!
Well, lady, this is your shining time, too.
Well done, Thomas! Well done!
Puffball! Teapot! Tin Kettle!